I'm here at the Grinderwald train station. I'm going to start my journey from here. There are different ways to go up of the Jungfraujoch. Let's go. Top of Europe. Well, it's a beautiful day here in Grindelwald today, and very excited to go up and see how it looks, the weather from up there. And I'm going to try to get one of this cable car called the Eiger Express. Eiger Express, this ultra-modern gondola, is going to take you up to the Eiger glacier in 15 minutes. Here we are now, we need to get the train. So the train is going to take about 30 minutes. Made it here. This is actually the highest railway station in Europe. See? Okay, first thing first, let's go out and check the viewpoint. It's so cold. I think it's something like below 16 degrees right now. Oh, my hands are freezing. But the view though, it's beautiful. Look at that. You can see Italy, France and Germany from up here. Don't ask me which is which though. Let's check out this huge complex and what else it has to offer. This is the ice palace. This is part of the complex, all made out of ice. Careful, don't slide. It's frozen. So they have little caves to explore. They have ice sculptures. Bench made of ice, like a bar counter made of ice. I did that on purpose. No more ice skating. So this is the Jungfrau panorama. It's like a 360 degrees cinema, showing you the beautiful view from up here of the Jungfrau. Here they have a pretty cool snow globe of Switzerland. Here they have this moving sidewalk with decorative paintings. In this part of the tunnel you can learn a little bit about the history. It's a memorial of the people who work here. And here, the Lindt Swiss chocolate heaven. That's fake chocolate. Give me the real deal. Hello. Ja, kein Problem. Ein Moment.
Ein Moment later.
That's what I'm talking about. All sorts of chocolate delicacies. Everything you can dream and more. What? 45 Swiss francs per kilo? Good thing I'm on a diet. Danke. Ai. Danke. Okay.
And this concludes my experience on the top of Europe. There are plenty of things to do here, plenty of things to see. You will definitely enjoy, even if you're coming by yourself like I did, or if you're coming with your family and kids, everybody will have fun. Even the journey itself to come up here, if the day is beautiful like it's today, the view is just breathtaking. Truly a memorable experience. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up and I see you the next time.